Performing design for fabrication or DFF analysis in PCB Flow is quick and easy. Drag and drop your design's ODB++ zip file into the upload box, give the project a name, and click Continue. DFM profile selection determines the rules checked on the design. PCB fabricators and industry standards organizations share these profiles to ensure designs meet their processes and standards. Once the analysis is run, review results and flag critical issues. Using Valor technology, PCB Flow performs hundreds of checks and measurements that affect the PCB fabrication. PCB Flow enables sharing of results through email, even if the recipient does not have a PCB Flow account or subscription. Email recipients will receive a link to a view-only PCB Flow results viewer. Results can be exported as a detailed Excel spreadsheet. These results can be efficiently sorted and reviewed later. Results can be exported as a PDF document that can be saved with design files or printed as needed.